Ona mujuri ora ujugirwo ni munene wa thitango cia muige Noordin Haji utanarika Mucirithania munene David Maraga neteteire ruhonge rwa igoti akiuga no nginyagia uira muiganu utwaro mbere ya igoti ya muigoti ringioha ekuirwo rikihuthira muhuhu.
Once the Judicial Service Commission has evidence of anybody involved in corruption, we will deal with it, and we are dealing with some of the cases where evidence has been given. What we have is just talk, people talking, and they are not doing anything to give us evidence, which we can't act upon.
Miario eno ya Maraga yukire riria egwikinyetie kiungano-ini gia kwaririria ciigie korwo na ungumania, kuria ugite ati ungumania ndungihukio agikorwo anyitite mine ciara mararutitwo.
The war against corruption, Your Excellency, is not going to be won by people who are involved here, and some are here. Hiring professional bloggers to demonize anybody or to demonize the judiciary. We are not going to win the war against corruption by that.
Ona kuria uguo President Kenyatta uria wonekanire taranyitanira na miario ya Haji na Kinoti augite kurekererio kwa ekuirwo ni kurahotomia haro ya ungumania.
They go to court, they are released. They go to court, they are released. They continue with their business. Jamani baba, uko na tabu. Hata mimi nilikuwa na tabu.
Ndeto icũngĩrĩirie President kuuga ni ekwambĩka watho wa kũgirĩrĩria aruti a wĩra a thirikari gũkorwo na biashara ciao kĩũmbe.
And in line with the proposals made by this forum, I am today directing the Honorable Attorney General to prepare a bill that will address the question of conflict of interest and unintended consequences that arose from the Degwa Commission report of 1971.
Oho mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga nake nioritie ruhonge rwa Mucirithania gutigirira ekuirwo a ungumania matirarekererio guku munini wa President William Ruto akiuga aruti a wira a thirikari ni meguthuthurio meikarire yao.
I say most African societies have no word for corruption. In our mother tongues, people who take what is not theirs are called thieves.
This is a very solemn and important occasion because we are discussing the heart and soul of our nation.
Ni mucamanio uria urehete atongoria othe a guku bururi-ini riu makiuga ni mekunyitanira kurwa na ungumania. Ngiribotera Inooro TV gitagwo muitiriri wa Wangari.